Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're out here in Koh Samui, Thailand. We're out here in the most insane villa in Koh Samui with a few closers, setters, and a few other different people who have different businesses. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys the full tour of the entire place. And trust me, guys, it's absolutely insane. So stick around, and I'll see you guys inside. Welcome inside the 9-bedroom mansion. And now I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. So right here, we have Ram in the living room. This is like the main living room. We have a chessboard. We got some fruit that we have each and every morning provided by the private chefs. Free unlimited coffees, unlimited fruit, unlimited eggs. I mean, what else do you guys really need?
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Ram. I currently flew out to Bangkok, Thailand with Ryan. I gotta say, one of the best mentors in the game, and he's really helped us out a lot here. We just got done filming the best outreach known to man. Yeah, it took about 4 to 5 hours, just leveraged what we had. I gotta say, we're definitely blowing the looms out of the park here.
Yeah. All right, now, enough with the living room. Let's go out here to the pool. This is one of the first pools. You can sunbathe in the morning. We have a little workout station right here, so we can just chill out, do some weights, do some right now. Wait. Now we're heading upstairs to go show you guys my room and the gym. And guess what, guys? The gym is right next to my room, so I can wake up, hit the weights. There's a treadmill in here as well, so it's pretty sick. Wait, I'll let you guys catch up. We even have the cables, pull-ups, dumbbells, treadmill. Look at this treadmill, guys. Ever seen a treadmill with some LED lights on the side? It's absolutely crazy. And the guys, the maids, they clean the room every single day. Very grateful that my room is cleaned for me every single day. Back to brand new. They fold the towels, make the bed. Got a very nice comfy little couch right here. Creatine, of course. And guys, I'm not even sponsored, but this is the best sleep mask known to man. You'll fall asleep in like 10 minutes or less. Yeah, I got some of my supplements. Magnesium glycinate, help you sleep. Lion's Mane, how do you like Lion's Mane?
Lion's Mane's absolute. It's just blows you out of the water, man.
Yeah, it's just an extra tool in your arsenal. And then this is like a nitric oxide booster. I got upsold when I was buying the magnesium glycinate by the supplement store. They said try this. It helps like blood move faster. You feel better. So trying it out. Haven't really noticed anything, but yeah, we got the showers. It's a pretty sick shower. It took me like a day to figure out how to even use the hot water. So I was just being disciplined, taking cold showers every day without even wanting to. And then, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for my room, guys. You guys, look at the art. What's that, like an Indian lady? Oh.
Something along the lines of.
Was there a ghost? Wait. Bro, this place is haunted, bro. All right, I think this is the Bulgarians' room, Alex's friends. So now, this is the kitchen, the main seating area as well. We have steaks every night. We have vegetables sometimes, French fries, potatoes. You know, pretty much all you need. And then over here, we have the main kitchen where the private chefs do all the work. And then this very exquisite coffee machine where we make like triple espressos, double espressos. And just dial in for the day. And here is where we eat the eggs. And the more we eat, the more that appears. Whenever we run out, they just magically appear again, which is pretty good. And then we get the wine cellar right here, the fridge, full of waters. Orange juice. Might have to drink some of that actually myself. And then yeah, over here, another lounge area. We were actually chilling here last night after a very fun night out with the boys. And then over here we have the first few bedrooms. Alex is staying right here. Jan is staying right here. Jan's making around $22K a month as a closer right now. So I mean, staying here, he's just able to lock in, maintain even a higher frequency status. So he's able to close a lot more deals. Okay, so now we're gonna go downstairs and show you guys one of my favorite areas. Right here, this is my favorite area. I just come home after a long day of grinding out in Koh Samui. And I just go for a little spar. I just pretend this bag right here, it represents all of my problems. So you just gotta beat up your problems. All right, now the problems have went from a lot to none. But now we're gonna go up here into the cinema / game room, playroom type of thing. Ah, Rum. Wait, who is that, bro?
He's the best YouTuber in the world.
Wait, who is that, bro?
It's the best YouTuber in the world.
Oh, that was a few days ago. But yeah, guys, this is a cinema room where it has surround sound, very comfortable couches, good lighting. Rum chilling out. And over here, we can go into the 8-ball table and foosball table. What is this? Poker?
I was actually talking to somebody, and it's I forget the name of it, but it's a Asian strategy game that the Asian community plays to basically just become strategic throughout their life.
Fair enough. And then right here we have, the foosball table, a lounge area, you can watch movies. And then right here we have like an arcade little system. We have tons of games actually on here. Actually, I'm gonna come down here and play this after I make this video for you guys. I didn't know there's so many games. But yeah, other than that, we have darts. I think they actually fixed it. I broke all of these yesterday, but they're now all better, so I'll show you guys. Look at that. Almost bullseye. Yeah, just a bathroom right here. If you have any kids, they can just go down the slide, play with an imaginary basketball. Could never find that. All right, guys, now this is the second pool. This is on Rom and Alex's floor. We have Max staying in here. He does like Airbnb, arbitrage. And we have, this pool is actually deeper than the one upstairs, so this is better for like doing laps if you want to do that. And then Rom and Alex are staying right here, as well as Marcus, who does Google Ads, SEO type of stuff. He's staying in here.
Adian's that one, Tono's that one.
All right, guys, my mistake. Adian is in this one. He's also a closer. And then in the far right one, we have Tano. He's the Baccarat owner. And then Adian is in Living Unchained as well, closing some deals for, I think, Ecom, right?
Yeah.
Ecom. Okay. Cool. So, guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's pretty massive. So, I mean, we gave you guys a quick tour. But Ram, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
In remote sales, what was the biggest confusion you had that's now cleared up for you?
I'd say the information when it comes to landing an offer. There's a whole bunch of free information out there online. But essentially what Ryan did, he narrowed it down, and we were able to land an offer, I mean, within a few days. I mean, we have the best outreach known to man. So,
Literally,
yeah.
Bro, literally in the world.
In the world.
Like, I'm
like,
confident I'd bet my kidney on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
What do you think about Thailand so far? This is his 4th day, 5th day, 6th day?
Sixth day.
Sixth
yeah.
day.
So we landed in Bangkok. That was pretty crazy. From a small town in Florida, so definitely not used to the traffic. But I'd say Koh Samui is definitely more the Florida vibe out here.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
What do you think it is that made you want to take that risk, especially with Alex as well? I'll ask you this as well, but like what separated you from maybe someone watching this who's like, it's too risky, I don't want to take the risk. Like,
Right.
What do you say to them?
Well, I'd say it's risky enough to not take a risk, right? If you don't take a risk, you're going to be in the same spot. I'd still be in Florida working a 9 to 5, and now I'm able to enjoy Thailand to the fullest, thanks to remote sales.
What would you say is like the biggest thing for you that made you even want to take that first step out here to Thailand in the first place?
To play on what Ram said, you're going to regret something regardless. So it's either you regret having a mediocre life or you regret that first fail. I know I've had plenty of first fails, but after landing that offer with Ryan, with his help and his outreach strategies, I mean, just blew the expectations that I had for my life completely out of the water. And I'm now living this.
All right, well, guys, that's pretty much it for the tour. Ram and Alex, would say adios.
Adios, guys. Make the most out of your life. It's going to be over before you know it.
It's been a pleasure, you guys. Take care.
Well, guys, it's been an absolute blessing to be able to stay here. And hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you out here as well. See you guys.